Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to unlock Telegram adult channel. So if you want to unlock the Telegram adult channel, what you're going to do, you're going to just go back to your screen and then go ahead to the settings. You won't find any settings inside the Telegram that will allow you to see adult channel. So what you're going to do, you're going to go ahead to the general, iPhone storage, and then go ahead and pin down Telegram and upload the app. And by uploading the app, you're going to release some of the unnecessary data or files. And then what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go back to the main settings, scroll a little bit down till you find Telegram, and make sure that you allow access to Telegram to your photos, location, contacts, so you can see the content, and you're gonna be able to join in the Telegram adult channels. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.